Automotive and commercial locksmith services in Rathdrum. Vehicle locksmith services. Lost or broken car keys. Modern vehicles use sophisticated key technology requiring specialized equipment. We provide complete automotive key services for all makes and models. Transponder key programming. Remote key fob replacement and programming. Smart key systems. Traditional key cutting. Broken key extraction from locks and ignitions. Ignition cylinder repair and replacement. Key stuck in ignition services. All vehicle types serviced. Passenger cars, all makes and models. Trucks and heavy-duty vehicles. Farm equipment and tractors. ATVs and UTVs. Motorcycles. RVs and campers. Farm and heavy equipment keys. Rathdrum's agricultural community requires specialized key services for farm equipment. Tractor ignition keys. Heavy equipment key replacement. Skid steer and bobcat keys. Combine and harvester keys. Farm truck and utility vehicle keys. Visit the link in the description below for more information.